Oh, there's all kinds of interesting animals on this page, Lila.
This page is chicken's bak.
Chicken goes bok bok, that's right.
Chick. Cheep cheep.
Cheep cheep.
Cheep cheep.
Cheep cheep.
This chicken. This chicken. This chicken. This lion. Wow!
Oh, good roar, Lila. What a good roar. Let's hear that roar again. Can I hear your lion roar?
Yes.
How does a lion go?
Wow!
What a good roar that is, Lila. And what's this?
A snake. Well, Dad.
That's a dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
Yep.
Dinosaurs. Wow!
They also go roar, that's right.
That's a dinosaur's car. That's stupid. What's that?
That? What do you think that is?
This is a spring.
And what kind of fish is this? That's a special kind of fish. What is it called?
That's octopus.
Octopus. That's right, Lila. That's an octopus. Good word.